Every knee replacement needs hospital stay. When longer hospital stay disturbs you.
Every knee replacement causes blood loss, when blood loss worries you.
Every knee replacement need accuracy. When implant placement accuracy worries you.
Guardian Hospital Ambala introduces for the first time in Haryana and Chandigarh robotic knee resurfacing.
Robotic knee resurfacing ensures 100% accuracy, less blood loss, shorter hospital stay.
Robotic knee resurfacing helps in restoring your active life early.
For more details, contact us on 8222840044. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Visit at www.guardianhospital.co.in.